Hello people and welcome back to DadeDashcam channel. Of course, a channel that features only the best rule moments scored on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with some reckless driver called red-handed. Stay tuned for this one.
There's about 200 hostages still being held in Gaza. More than 20 of them are under the age of 18. Between 10 and 20 are over the age of 60. This is the reports of 2 getting returned safely. They do believe there are a lot of them still alive in Gaza, and
Traffic lights are there for a reason, and every driver needs to take them really seriously. Otherwise, you might end up causing an accident.
Is higher. It's over 500,000. So I did the order.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, it's over 500,000 deaths per year in the Americas attributed to antimicrobial resistance. This is according to the World Health Organization recent study that they did. So yeah, it's a huge and growing problem. And Bob, I think you're thinking of it kind of narrowly, and sort of like from my perspective, I was like.
Speeding like this driver here and changing lanes without bothering to use your turn signals or check your side view mirrors is only causing trouble. Try your best to avoid repeating the same mistake as this guy here.
Yeah, no, I was the guy that was mixing the cement and the sand, right, and the water. Sand. So I had.
Is that a cop?
no, it's just a car stopped on the road.
You would go.
Hey, what the hell?
What the heck?
Fascinating.
Then at that point I thought, well, I'm going to do 10 push-ups for Arnold and have him comment on. So you'll have to stay tuned.
All right.
To see
That's
what
toward
happens.
the end. You gotta hang in there. Wait for it.
They're getting relief to serious trouble on the road, guys. Always try your best to keep a safe distance between you and another vehicle in front for your own safety.
Is this so-called letter of invitation that authorized what happens next. So then we fast forward to January 6th. Of course, the attack on the Capitol happens. As that is going on, sometime between 12:30 p.m. and 2 p.m., in the report they mention that Rudy Giuliani in the January 6th committee depositions talks about around 4 o'clock that same day on the 6th, and the GBI report notes that Scott Hall, who again, folks might recognize that name because he's been indicted in County in connection with this stuff. Scott Hall was messaging, or was on the phone with Kathy Latham, talking about scanning ballots that they, had talked about previously. So then the very next day, that's when Sullivan Strickler, this team that had been involved with Sidney Powell previously.
Don't run the red, don't run the red. You're running the red. You ran the red. Stop. Block the intersection, stupid. You can stop. Unified Construction Corp. Thank you. You beeping at me for you, mother. Forward door. Back you go. Yeah. Will you go for sake? Will you stop for sake? Am I gonna make all 3 lights? No. I just cursed myself. I know it. And it's cut off. Yeah, I gotta stop. Hello! 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 Little I know you had to let him in, but shouldn't have cut him off. You too. How much was on the bank this morning? Slow down, please. Thank you. Could you wait till I turn, please? Thank you. Fucking asshole. Oh, for Christ's sakes, this just turn green. You don't run it. You ran it. Yeah, okay. Dump guy. Stop tailgating. off! Don't cut him off! Jesus, idiot.
Pay close attention at this car right here. For some odd reason, the driver refused to move forward at intersection, and he made other drivers really nervous with this crazy and rude move. This is what happens when you enter a one-way street the wrong way. The camera made this reckless driver reverse all the way back.
Oh, I wouldn't go in there in this weather.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left on...
What do you think? No, I don't want it well. Got his fog lights on though, bless him. He did try and go in there, but I mean, it's weather, isn't it? There's no need. Well, I'm a bit surprised at you, my friend. Oh, you clever boy. Come on, you can do it. You can't get. You switch the bloody sirens off. Go on. I'm going to assume you're waiting to cross.
Pay close attention at these two pedestrians right here in this video. They didn't even bother turning their heads before crossing the road. The camera was right behind him, but they didn't budge. Camera caught something really crazy on his dashcam. As he was passing by, he saw a semi-truck driver being stuck in the middle of the road. We don't know what exactly happened for him to end up in a situation like this, but hopefully he managed to get out of it. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. And if you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that would mean the world to us. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next one, drive safe and take care, guys.